I love these tongs, but I hate these tongs. Today, I'm gonna do something about that. So why do I hate these tongs? Well, let me show you. You see these little ends here, these little sort of teeth? Well, you might notice some of them are a little bit bent over time. One of the reasons is when you're reaching for things on the grill, especially a grill with thinner cooking grates, not as much as this one, but like on the Weber kettle, these get caught when you're trying to pick things up. I don't like that, so they're gone. So the first thing I want to do is just want to put a little mark here. It's not going to be perfect. Just to kind of guide me as I'm taking these off. I'll clean it up at the end. Now I'm going to clamp these tongs to my bench here. There's 2 clamps so they're held securely. That's pretty sturdy. Got my safety glasses on. Let's fix these tongs. Okay, so I've taken that one down. As you can see, I got pretty close to that black line even though I couldn't see it. I probably should have put the line on the inside. In fact, I think I'll do that now. That would have been the smart thing to do. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Now I know it's not going to be the exact same as the other tongs because those sort of fold and come down to the end, but this no longer has those teeth on it, which is what I hated. So now I'm just going to clean up these ends. Now there's probably some of you out there going, this guy doesn't know what he's doing with a grinder. I am no expert with this sort of stuff. Try and do the best I can. For me, that's looking pretty good. So let's get the clamps off and have a closer look. So here are my favorite tongs. The ones that I love to use. In fact, I've had people ask me where I got these. I don't know. They were a gift years ago, but I do love these. Here now are the remade forky tongs, and these are going to be much better to use. Now in comparison, you can see that they're not as long as my favorite tongs there, but they will definitely be an improvement over what they were, and that means I've got 2 sets of tongs that I can use without having to worry about one of them jamming in and grabbing on the cooking grates. Now I will still have to clean these up a little bit, the edges here with the hand file. That's no problem. And again, I'm not an expert on using grinders and things like that. I use them quite a bit when I'm tinkering with things, and that's what I love doing. I love doing things like this and tinkering with barbecue tools and barbecues and grills and smokers to make them more useful. And in this instance, with just a little bit of work, I was able to take a pair of tongs that were basically useless and turn them into something I can use all the time.